So this video is how to move emails from promotion tab to primary tab in Gmail. So the first thing, you have to go to this gear icon and you have to choose priority inbox. That is the easiest way, and then you will not have all the tabs like social tab and a promotion tab. So that is the easiest way. Then if you want to do it with all the tabs, so what you have to do, you have to go to the promotion tab. First thing first, you have to go over the name that you want to put in your primary inbox. Click more info and then add it to your contact. That is the first thing. And if you want to delete it from your contact, you just have to go to this tab, click on the three dot and delete it, and it's done. It's deleted. Easy. So now what we have to do, so in order to move your email, your promotion email to your primary tab in Gmail, it's easy. You just have to drag and drop the email in the primary tab, and then you have to click here. Yes. So that means your future email will go straight away to your primary tab, and it's done.